Standard 9 Maths Chapter 1 Number System. Hello everyone. So in last video we have just briefly discussed what were natural number, what were whole number and like that. So and also we have discussed like representation of rational number on number line. So in this video we will find out how to insert rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay. To find rational number between two rational numbers. Suppose we have to find three rational numbers between 6 and 7. So this 6 and 7 they are also rational number because 6 can be written as 6 upon 1 and 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. Clear? So this is okay. How we have to find three rational number between 6 and 7. Now there are two methods. Clear? So basically there are three methods. So these are simply they can be also said they are simply natural numbers. Okay. Then comes a category of fractions when we have to find rational number between two fractions when the denominator is same or when they are like terms, and third one is when they are not like or they are unlike terms. Okay, so first we will discuss this type of questions. So how to insert this rational numbers between 6 and 7. So first method is if this we take as x and this can be taken as y. So I have to find n rational numbers. So I am writing rational numbers or writing Rn for rational numbers. Okay, if we have to find n rational numbers between x and y. So how can we say so n will what will do x plus y upon 2. So this will be our first rational number. So this is 6 and 7. So first rational number we will find. First rational number will be 6 plus 7 upon 2. So this is 13 upon 2. Value is 6.5. Now this 6.5 lies between this 6 and 7. Clear? So second rational number will be either we can find between 6 and 6.5 or we can find in between 6.5 and 7. So first we will find between 6 and 6.5. Okay, so this is 12.5 upon 2, or simply we write this. So this will be this is 2 5 and this is 4. Okay, so this 24 upon 5 will be lying in between 6 and 7. So this will be 6, and either you write fraction form or you write this thing. So these are. Now third rational number, either we find between 6.5 and 7, or we can find, because they are infinite numbers, infinite rational number between two rational number. So third rational number we can find. Third rational number will be just add 6.5 plus 7 upon 2. So this becomes 13.5 upon 2, or this is 27 upon 4. So this rational number lies between 6.5 and 7. So this way we can calculate this in when we have to calculate between two rational numbers. So this is the first method. So when we have to find n rational number between x and y, what we do, we will just take the average. This is nothing but the average of these x plus y. Okay. So this is the first method. Now what can be done? What else can be done? Second method. Second method is suppose we have to find three rational numbers between 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. So previous case 6 and 7, they were also having same denominator, that is 1. As I told, 6 can be written as 6 upon 1 and 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. So they were also having same denominator. So this method can be applicable to this method, this type of question. So now we have to find three rational between 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7, and these are like terms or their denominator are same. So what we have to do now, this is 3, so we'll add 1 to this. We will have 4. If we add 1 to this 3, it will become 4. Now what we do, we find equivalent fraction for these two terms in between which we have to find the rational number. So we will multiply these fraction, both part, that is numerator as well as denominator of this fraction, to convert them into a equivalent fraction. So this can be multiplied as, okay, so this will become 12 upon 28, and this can be, this is 16 upon, so by same number, since it is 3, we will multiply by 4, means next number or the consecutive number. If it had been 4, so we will multiply by 5. If it is 6, then we will multiply by 7. So we will multiply by, if we have to find n rational number, then we will multiply that or we will convert that equivalent term by multiplying by n plus 1. Okay, so this has become 28, 16 upon 28. So now we have this and 16 upon 28. So this is nothing but 3 upon 7 and this is nothing but 4 upon 7. So we will just change the numerator. So numbers are 13 upon 28, 14 upon 28 and 15 upon 28. So these will lie between 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. So this was the case. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now we will take one more example. Suppose we have to find 4 rational number between uh, 1 upon 11 and 2 upon 11. Okay, so we have to find 4 rational number between 1 upon 11 and 2 upon 11. Now we will multiply or we will find the equivalent terms of these. So this is 2 upon 11. So this is 4. We will multiply these fraction by 5. So this is into 5 and we will do into 5. This will become 5 upon 55 and this is 10 upon 55. So we will find rational between 5 upon 55 and this is 10 upon 55. So this is 6 upon 55, 7 upon 55, 8 upon 55 and 9 upon 55. So these are the 4 rational number between 11 upon 11 and 2 upon 11. There are infinite numbers between two given numbers. Okay, now there is a third part when these are not like terms, these are unlike terms or their different denominators are different. So how to find, this is third method. So these three methods, they can be interchangeably used for any type of rational number, whether they are like terms or unlike terms or they are simply just natural numbers. Okay, so third method is clear. So if we have to find n natural number between x and y, we have to find, this is a generalized form I am explaining. Okay, you have to find n natural number between x and y. Now first step we have to do, we have to find a term d, or we can this is difference or you can say common difference. This will be, and one more thing, this y will be greater than x. Say we have to find rational number between 6 and 7. So 7 was y because generally y is greater than x. So this should be y should be greater than x. So we have to find first d. The d value of d will be y minus x upon n plus 1, where y and x, these are the two rational numbers between which we have to find rational number, and this n, number of how many rational numbers we have to find. Okay, now this we will see. This you can basically use when there are unlike terms. Okay, so see how. So this is d equals to y minus x upon n plus 1. Now we have to find rational number between 2 upon 3 and say 5 upon 7. So these are unlike terms, clear. Now what we have to do? First we have to find d. So d will be y minus x. So this is y minus x and n plus 1. So we are finding just two rational numbers. Okay, so n will be 2. So this is 2 plus 1. So now we will find this value. This is 21 because you have to find the LCM, and upon this is 3. So this will be into 7, sorry, into 3, that is 15 into 7, this is 14. Okay, so this will become 1 upon 21 and this is 23. So this is 1 upon 63. So this is come a very big value. So, but in order to just understand, I'm doing this. So this d will d we will have this value 1 upon 63. Now how we have to find the rational number? So if I come to this generalized part, rational bit numbers between x and y will be x plus d. Okay, x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, up to x plus n d. Okay, these are the rational numbers between x and y. Now, if I have to find, this will become x. Value of x was 2 upon 3 plus d, that is 1 upon 63. So, first rational number will be this value. Okay, so this is 63 and this is 21, this is 42 plus 1. This is 43 upon 63. So, this is the first rational number between 2 and 3. Now second rational number will be x plus 2d. That means 2 upon 3 plus 2d means 2 upon 63. Okay. So this is 63 and this is 42 plus 2. This is 44 upon 63. So the next rational number between 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 7 will be 44 upon 63. So this is the basic how you have to calculate. So what we have to do when we have to find n rational number between x and y, we have to find the first common difference. This will be equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. Okay. Then the rational number between x and y would be x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d. You have to find any number of times. You can find any rational number. Okay. So this value will extend up to x plus nd. Now we will take some more example. So we will see. I hope this method is clear to you. We will take one example. You have to find three rational number between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So what we have to do? We have to find d, that is 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 upon n plus 1, that is 3 plus 1. So the numerator value will be this 12. This is 9 minus 8 upon 4. So it has become 1 upon 12 into 4 or 1 upon 48. So three rational between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 will be x plus d. So first rational number will be x plus d, that is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 48. So this is 48. It will be get multiplied by 60. So this is 32 plus 1. So this is 33 upon 48. Or you can further reduce it to 11 upon 16. Okay. Now second rational number. This was first rational number. Second rational number will be x plus 2d. That is 2 upon 3 plus 2d will be this 2 upon 48 simply. So this fraction can be reduced. This is equivalent to 1 upon 24. So this is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 28. So this is equal to 24 and 16 plus 1. This is 17 upon 24. So the second rational number will be 17 upon 24. Now third rational number. This is x plus 3d. That is 2 upon 3 plus 3 into 1 upon 48 will be 3 upon 48. This is 1 upon 16. So this is 48 into 16 into 16 will become 32 plus this is 3. So this will become 35 upon 48. So these three numbers, that means 11 upon 16, 17 upon 24 and 35 upon 48. These are the three rational number between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. Similarly, you can try for negative rational numbers. So this was the generalized method. One more method I will tell. This is simply the extended version of this. Okay. So in simple terms, so this was 23 and what it was 3 upon 4. We have to find three rational number in between. So these are unlike terms. So what we have to do, we have to equalize. We have to convert them into like fractions. In order to maintain to make them into like fractions, we have to make their decimal. Oh sorry, their denominator equal. So in order to make denominator equal, you have to find their LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we have to make their denominator 12. So in order to make this 312, we have to multiply by 4 and numerator we have to multiply by same number. So this fraction will become 8 upon 12. So this fraction will become, we have to multiply 4 into 3 and 3 into 3. So it will become 9 upon 12. Now we have to find three rational numbers. What we can do, we will multiply this by 4 plus 1. We will multiply plus 1. So this will be 4 into 4 into 4. So this is 32 upon 48 and this is 36 upon 48. So rational will be 33 upon 48, 34 upon 48 and it was 35 upon 48. So these were the value exactly the same which we have calculated by last method. Okay, so any of the four method you can follow. So this was all about calculating or finding rational number between two rational numbers. So we'll discuss exercise 1.1 in our next video. Thank you.